The MI-26 civil version MI-26T symbolizes the power and glory of Russian helicopter engineering. This is the most heavy-lifting serial helicopter in the world. It is capable of transporting vehicles and bulky cargo weighing up to 20 tons in the cargo cabin or on an external sling. The MI-26 and MI-26T helicopters are successfully operated both in Russia and beyond its borders. They are effectively used for transporting bulky cargoes, construction mounting work, on-line delivery of fuel, evacuation of casualties from difficult-of-access regions in extraordinary situations. The MI-26 has been used during firefighting and elimination of consequences of natural calamities. In 1986, these helicopters took part in the liquidation of the aftermath of the nuclear power plant accident in Chernobyl. The MI-26 operated directly near the nuclear reactor. The filter system and protection shields installed in the cabin significantly reduced impact of radiation during delivery of construction materials to the most dangerous zone, epicenter of the catastrophe. When accomplishing UN peacemaking missions in Cambodia and Somalia, the helicopters covered more than 6,000 hours. The MI-26T helicopter has a cargo cabin 12.1 meters in length, 3.2 meters in width and 3.1 in height. It is fitted out with electric winches and telfers, with a total lifting capacity of up to 6 tons. The cargo cabin incorporates a falling ramp with opening doors. The ramp may be fixed in any preset position, allowing transporting long-size cargo. For loading bulky cargoes, there is a clearance changing system. The basic helicopter, within a short period of time, may be re-equipped into a medical or troop-carrying version. In the troop-carrying version, the helicopter may transport up to 82 persons. The helicopter's medical version provides for the transportation of 60 stretcher cases with 3 medical attendants. For ferry flights, the helicopter envisages installation of 2 or 4 fuel tanks with floorings for equipment. The MI-26T, applying an external load sling, is used during construction of bridges, boreholes and electric power lines, transportation and mounting of heavy equipment for industrial enterprises, as well as pipes of a large diameter, standard containers. A side-suspended pilot-operator cabin and modified external sling may be installed on the helicopter. The MI-26T, with special cargo grips on the external sling, may be used for transporting timber, pipes and other long-size cargoes. The helicopter's firefighting version is equipped with a water-discharging device, VSU-15, on the external sling. Intake of up to 15 tons of water is performed in hover from any water reservoirs, including shallow ones, up to 1 meter in depth. It is intended for extinguishing and localization of seats of fire in steppe, forest and mountains regions, and for extinguishing industrial and domestic fires. Simultaneously, the MI-26T can deliver to remote and difficult-of-access regions mobile firefighting refueling stations, wheeled and caterpillar vehicles, as well as to land-ground firefighting services. The helicopter has passed successful christening by fire in South Korea and a number of European countries. For online delivery and autonomous refueling of aircraft and ground vehicles, a refueling complex has been created on the base of the MI-26T. The equipment is of 2 versions, The first for transporting and dispensing aviation fuel, the second diesel fuel. The refueling equipment consists of 2 carts with fuel tanks, pump units and control panels, carts with dispensing hoses, and counters of fuel transfer. The helicopter can deliver 14 40 liters of fuel and 1,040 liters of lubricants. At present, Roosevelt Joint Stock Company, together with the Mill Design Bureau, is realizing a heavy lifters upgrade program for providing its round-the-clock application, which includes fitting out helicopters with a new complex of airborne radio electronic equipment, reduction of crew members to 2 to 3 person, pilot in command and pilot navigator, adaptation of helicopters, instruments and lights for usage by the crew of night vision goggles. The heavy-lift, multifunctional, wide fuselage MI-26T helicopter is certified in Russia according to the airworthiness regulations developed on the base of FAR 29, USA. In terms of performance, the MI-26T significantly surpasses all native and foreign helicopters of such a class, which is confirmed by 14 world records set by it.